Oh, elevator? Elevator.
Camera number 2. And you're just like this.
I know, yeah. He's like, what the hell? Where are we at, guys? Tsukiji.
Market? Is that what that is there, right?
Yep, Tsukiji. Tsukiji. You ready to see how crowded it is here? We got here kind of late too as well, so we're about to see what it's like. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, look how crowded it is here. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of different side streets that we can go down as well. Look, maybe they have ice cream on the corner. Oh, this is the tamago, the egg.
The egg?
The egg.
So you can try black soybeans. Just roasted. Roasted black soybeans. These are sweet. Sugar for soybean. Roast, not sweet.
Oh, oishi.
Thank you.
Come on, be here. Is it here? At the end? Oh my gosh, look at all these alleyways we're gonna have to go down. Gosh.
Whoa, it's a...
Oh, they have the ice cream here, Kaylee.
Can we get it? Can we share it?
For it. 600.
How many?
One. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Ice cream. Yes, ice cream.
How is it? Oh my gosh, it's packed. Okay, we want that. Delicious? Oishi? Oishi?
Oishi desu.
So we're gonna try this salmon. It's fresh salmon for 500 yen. And then we're gonna try one of the unagi sticks as well. This unagi stick is so bomb. Curious to see how your salmon's gonna taste, baby. She gotta finish her ice cream first. Dang, Lamborghini.
So today we're at Tsukiji Market and I got some salmon, so I'm gonna try it. I don't have like soy sauce, but it's fine. But
Yeah, right there, soy sauce right there.
But I don't It's really good.
You're gonna put a little so you can taste it. Okay, put it on the side. I'm gonna get it.
Oh yeah. Even better with the soy sauce. Because
Is it?
it doesn't taste that good with it.
It's buttery.
Try.
I'm gonna try this now.
This is really good too.
Yeah. My first time trying unagi. A little nervous. I'm a little nervous I'm not gonna like it. It's buttery, yeah?
Can I get your honest review on the unagi? Out of 10 then. Honest review. 6, 7. 6, 7.
The salmon? Like 10 out of 10.
Kaylee said the same on 10. I give it an 8.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. Where are we heading to next? That alleyway over there, huh? Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, we got pretty lucky, I think, because this line isn't too bad. This line usually gets super long. Oh, look at that king crab leg. That crab leg. Oh, look at that. So good. Oh, it's starting to get hot. Yeah? It's starting to get like humid. Look at me. My face looks like it's getting oily.
This has the most fat, and then it goes more lean towards this side. Good?
It's so good.
So good? This is the leanest one out of all of them.
It's so good.
Even that one was really good.
Do we leave this here?
Behind you. I think behind you.
Okay, leave it here.
Oh, arigato.
Certified quality.
Hello, hello.
Very famous sushi restaurant, Sushi Dama. Yeah, your table is ready now. No, next time.
Next time, yes. This is so cool, guys. We literally buy whatever you want and like little pieces too. You don't even have to buy the whole thing. This is pretty crowded, but it's nothing like Dontonbori in Osaka at night. Oh man, it's so busy over there. I'm noticing that we probably should have got off the main spot because a lot of this stuff is cheaper than what we bought on the main street. What the heck? So we're on a hunt right now for some matcha. No, it's around the corner to the right. Sure, here. Matcha stand. This is it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Omegashimasu.
Number 8.
Oh, 10. Babe, you have 10? The receipt? 10? Arigatou gozaimasu. I kind of already tried it and it's pretty bomb.
It's really good. It has some really good matcha. It's strong. Let me try this. This is the double matcha.
I like
It's
that.
really strong.
I like that. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure we're done with our Tsukiji market experience. We're actually gonna head to another market right now, so we'll catch you guys over there. Look at this little Honda.
Do they have to add the steering wheel? They have to like click the steering wheel.
Yeah. Sick. This is a Lotus. Look at this thing. Look at how tiny this thing is, guys. So cool. That's a cool thing about being in Japan. There's like little gems everywhere. Second market spot, the Ueno Ameyoko shopping street. Check out how cool this looks. Here we go. So this place is giving Dotonbori, but it's a lot less crowded. And it's way less crowded than Tsukiji market. I did notice that there's a lot more like stores rather than stalls. I feel like this is more of a shopping area than it is like a food area like Tsukiji. But still pretty cool nonetheless. It's so small for me in this store. Oh, this is where we want to be. All the model cars. Oh my gosh.
Should have got the other one. Look at how expensive these ones are.
The heck?
Yeah.
Missed out. See? Missed out. I missed out on a pretty good opportunity to get a RC car that I wanted.
Oh man, that makes it seem like such a good deal.
Told you.
I told you.
I told you.
Should have got it.
It's okay. At least we know now.
How far is it?
An hour. There's a switch in there.
Oh, is there anything worth it?
There? Yeah. If you're just gonna mod it, it's worth it. Camera lenses, dude. Oh, you already fit?
There's a,
Nothing cool.
I haven't looked at it.
Oh yeah, look at all these film cameras.
Yeah.
What kind of lenses they got down here?
Oh wait, look at that tiny camera. The Nikon.
What the heck? Nintendo 64s? Is that a Sega? That's a Sega's right there on the bottom. Crazy. So one thing about Japan, if you guys want to get like secondhand items, they're pretty cheap. Like they're pretty affordable in a sense of like what it is. And they got a lot of old tech that you guys can see. Okay, we're back to the crowded section. This must be where the everything starts. I think we're in the thick of it now. Dang, this is where the packed part is, huh? It's this. Yeah, this part is definitely giving Dotonbori vibes. But Dotonbori has a lot more food as well, yeah? Like a good mix, I feel like. Stay right here. Okay guys, so we just had some Lawsons. We're taking a little break right now. Everybody's eating some ice cream because it's hot as heck. But we just found this cool little spot in this park by the Ueno station. So I think after this we're heading over to Tokyo Skytree. So we'll probably catch up over there. I do me. Cut on my wrist like I do not know what's coming to me. They want me gone. Wait for the kicker. Bury me now and I only get bigger. That's word of my niggas. Yeah. October's firm in the cut. Okay, looking for the Skytree thing now. Dang, busy as heck. Holy crap. That's where we're going right there. We're gonna be at the top of that. Or close to it at least. You ready?
Go up there?
Yep.
All the way up there?
Just about. Or at least to the dome.
What the heck? That's so high. That's huge.
It is, yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks fake.
Currently in line right now for not Shibuya, Tokyo Skytree. Look how much people are here. Hell of people. But I think we're about to go through there.
I've been up to midnight, driving in nowhere, bumping a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been up to sunrise, headed to nowhere, hoping that someone's missing me somewhere. Driving, still driving, still turn, just trying to get my head right. It'll all be better when I just gotta get my head right. And it don't hit the same with you all alone in the mind.
Oh, that's actually kind of scary.
It's funny because it's actually
I keep pretending everyone's as good as me. Just so weird I cannot speak. Fought so hard I think I peak. All my exes still love me. Call me up, he wanna freak. All my house looking distressed. How you copied and compete? You just managed me.
Bye bye car. We are now in Shibuya, guys. And we're gonna go have some dinner and then we're gonna hit the crossing area after that. Shibuya though, I just have to say, is very stressful to drive here. But a lot of people, they take the taxi. But we like the challenge. I have a car like that one too. I have a car like that too. You can already see how packed it is. Look at all those people. Here we go. Shibuya, baby. What the heck? Look at all these people. What the heck? was really cool. I think we're gonna be eating dinner now. I know we did this last trip, but it's always cool to just go to some place like this that you don't get to go to very often, especially in another country, and experience things that you only see on Instagram and on social media. You guys still retired? Anyway, we're gonna count this food right now. Like a thrift. Okay guys, I think we're way too tired to continue this Shibuya adventure. We're about to head home right now. Maybe stop off at a Lawson's or something, but that'll be it for the night. I'll see you guys for the next day.